Technology has managed to weave its way into every single aspect of our society, from facilitating our social lives to helping launch our entrepreneurial dreams. Earning money those days become easier because the internet make life easy by creating your own sites, stores, and manage them. So if you lost your truck and you don't know how to make money, here is some tips to make some of it. Let's start with online stores. And by launching an online store, that means you'll be starting a business of your own. So make sure you're prepared. Primarily, you'll need to test out all your business ideas before introducing them to the world. Do some market research and get feedback from friends and family. They'll be able to give you valuable information that can be used to improve your product or service. Remember that as a business, you get closer to achieving success by selling something to people actually they want. For example, clothes, meals, or other products. Secondly, people have made a lot of money by investing in stocks. And by buying the stocks of a company when the arrow of the company rise, that means you are winning more money. In this situation, you should sell your stocks to avoid losing money and position. Investing is risky method. You should know what to invest in and be patient about your decision. Last but not least, a freelancer who earning money, whether by the freelancers who write, who make art, and who design websites. It's a hard way and the wage is not really that good, but it is turning something you love into a way to make money. You can collect a good salary by do those methods and develop them more and more to be more professional and to upgrade your skills and the quality of those services.